Presenting a pre-owned 2001 Porsche Boxster. This two-door convertible has a 6-cylinder, 2-liter H6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and a 5-speed manual transmission. This Porsche has less than 52,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, power door locks, and power windows. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motor Cars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.